Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Ccna exam. Begin by mapping the exam blueprint and setting realistic, repeatable study blocks each day. Balance theory with hands-on lab time using real devices or simulators to solidify concepts. Track progress with small goals, like mastering one subnetting technique or one routing protocol per week. Stay consistent and adjust pace based on practice test results and confidence. In this video, I will explain how to study for the Ccna exam. Create targeted labs that replicate exam-style tasks such as VLAN, ACL, and OSP setups. Spend focused sessions automating common configs and breaking them to practice troubleshooting steps. Time yourself when solving scenarios to build speed and accuracy. Review mistakes immediately and document commands and concepts in a concise cheat sheet for quick revision before retesting. In this video, I will explain how to study for the Ccna exam. Choose a primary resource like a trusted course or guide and supplement with concise videos for tricky subjects. Use flashcards for commands and key concepts and schedule weekly practice exams to measure retention. Rotate resources to prevent burnout and focus study time on weak topics revealed by mock tests. Treat each practice test as a learning opportunity, not a pass or fail verdict.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.